Alright, YouTube, welcome to another trade recap. I did take another L today, 2 in a row. It's getting quite harder to trade because I'm so close to getting a payout that it gets to your head, man. It really does. Like knowing that you're so close to getting a payout, like that's like my main goal as of right now as a trader. Just get that first payout. Every time you get closer, it gets harder to control yourself. Every time, like every step you take, it gets harder to control your emotions during trading. But it is what it is. All we gotta do is get better. Find what you did wrong and don't do the same mistakes again. So yeah, coming into the day, on the 1 hour, we had taken out these lows right here, which were previous day lows, and we were respecting this fair value gap right here. And when I hopped on charts, there's this blue candle during pre-market. So that's all I really needed for my bias, really. Like we had taken out the only internal liquidity really needed for it to go higher. Like there's no way it's gonna go all the way down here to go higher. If it was to go higher in New York session. So there was like nothing else we needed to take out. I went to the 5-minute, and we had London session highs and Asian session highs, and this in general is just like liquidity fucking like this. You see how much liquidity is here? Like I'm pretty sure all of this is equal highs, like at least 3 of these, just like kind of like yesterday. And we had previous day highs and all that. And coming into when I came onto the markets, we had inverse this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and then we went back down to this 5-minute, respected it, and we did break structure to the upside again after respecting this 5-minute fair value gap. So after we broke structure, after inversing a 1 minute, a 5-minute, and then respecting another 5-minute fair value gap. Sorry, I thought it was gonna go higher. So yeah, after breaking structure and respecting a 5-minute fair value gap, I entered. Especially because we had London and Asian session highs to aim for. So I executed. But as you can see, it did go higher, but then it edged my stop loss. Within the edge, it hit my stop loss. And it's kind of annoying because after hitting stop loss, like it did go up over here, and I would have gotten a break even if it went that high, but it's alright. So one thing I did do wrong in this trade. This is why I say it. I did trade emotionally this time. It's because I did take the trade at 9:50, even though we had job openings at 10 a.m. So I did risk it. I did not need to take that trade. Like that was an unnecessary trade. Like why risk trading 10 minutes before a red folder news? I just gotta learn from it, I guess. I did have a big stop loss, knowing that the risk of the news candle stopping me out was pretty high. Another thing also I did wrong, like even though we inversed this 5-minute fair value gap, I shouldn't have really used it as a confluence, because we didn't like after that we closed below these lows, so that was bearish order flow. Sorry, I'm really tired right now, that's why I'm like mumbling. But yeah, even though we did disrespect this, we had bearish order flow after it, so this was kind of like it didn't mean anything, so I shouldn't have used it as a confluence. Something else also, my TP it didn't need to be, I guess I didn't, this is it's not even a bad TP, because I feel like if it were to take like most of, like if it were to go actually bullish, I feel like it would take at least this high right here. But I should have just aimed for, like, you know, London session highs, which was, no, this was London session highs. So no, this is not a bad TP. I feel like if it were to go higher, it would definitely hit that. You know, the main thing is just trading during news. Like, why? That's so stupid of me. Like, that's the main thing, really, is just trading during news. Like I said, it's getting harder to control my emotions while trading. It's not something I can't deal with. Like, best believe next trade, I'm not making this mistake again. Like, tomorrow, from now on, if I don't see a obvious setup, like, and if there's anything against me, like news, or like, you know, a for value gap we could still go down to, I'm gonna just not take the trade, man. It's not worth it. And I feel like that's really gonna up my win rate, because it's tiny things like this, like that make me lose trades. And also something else, I'm having a habit of, like, trading the first thing I do in a day is trade. It's not really something good to do, because I notice, like, I'm still, like, waking up. Like, when I'm trading, I'm still, like, half asleep. Like, not half asleep, but, like, you know, when you wake up in, like, the first 30 minutes, you're still, like, you know, your brain is still coming up to speed. That's basically what I'm doing. Like, I'm trading during that time. So I'm gonna definitely just, like, start waking up earlier. I don't know, maybe, like, go outside. I don't know, go to the gym, not even to exercise, just, like, you know, wake up my mind, go to Waller, like, to the gas station or something. Just, you know, like, when I come onto the charts, my mind is nice and awake. I'm not half asleep, you know, and I can focus on restraining my emotions. But yeah, I'm still good. Let me see. Let me open up Top Step real quick. Yep, so as you can see, for me to blow that account, I had to lose 1,197. So going forward, I don't know if I'm gonna risk 500. I might risk a little bit less for, like, at least the next 2 trades, at least until I'm up 500 on the account. Because, you know, if I risk 500, basically after 2 trades, I blow my account. And it's very possible of me losing another 2 trades. You know, I probably won't. But, you know, it still could happen. So I'm gonna just take the careful route, because I do not want to blow this account. I mean, even if I blow it, to be honest, next trade, I'm gonna be more careful. Like, if I see the trade is obvious, I'm risking heavy. Like, if it's an obvious setup, I'm gonna risk like 500, 600. And, you know, if it's like a less obvious trade, I'm gonna just take that careful route, the careful step, and only risk like 200, 300. Just because, you know, I'm trying to play my risk manager better. Like, I'm trying to have better risk management. But yeah, this is my low. This is not even the lowest I was on this account, so I shouldn't even be tripping, to be honest. My high was 800. I only need 3 winning days left. Hopefully this week I can get at least another 2 or 1 winning day. But yeah, man, that's it really. As you can see. Yeah, this is pretty ass. 33% win rate. Yeah, that has to go up. It's alright. I'll get better. But yeah, that's it. No, I'm about to go crazy this month though. Like if I blow this account, I'm not even tripping because, you know, it's either way it's gonna be a step forward. Like I'm gonna learn from it and I'm gonna buy another funded account and I'm gonna do better at that one than this one. But yeah, we about to go crazy this month.